Hello students, there are some multiple choice questions of lesson 7 packing by Jerome K. Jerome Kalpakka Jerome. So packing, we know very well about packing. What was this packing? When Jerome, Harris and George are going on a trip, they were packing the thing. That's why it is called packing. So let's start the question answer. Why was Jerome willing to do packing? Yes, because of his expert packing skill. He didn't want to miss anything. He wanted to steal his friend's belonging. Yeah, he liked doing it. So this is the first option. Because of his expert packing skill. He was thinking, I am expert in packing. But in reality, he was not expert. We can see when we were reading a lesson, we came to know that he was not so expert in packing. Next question. While packing things, George and Harris did a few silly things. Name them. What? Broke a cup of tea, broke a cup and upset almost everything, squeezed a tomato, and trod on butter and stepped on a banana. Yes, yeah, all. So this is all. This is all. Who was the best packer? Jerome, Harris, George or none? No one was there. Who is the best packer? Next fourth one is, who was the worst packer according to Jerome? According to Jerome, who was the worst packer? George, Harris, Montmorency, all were the worst packer. All. D option is the right one. Why was Jerome the best packer? Why was the Jerome best packer? Yes, because of his ability to pack things in order, because of his words, because of his boasting. Yeah, none. Just only one. This is the C option, because his boasting. सिर्फ वो दिखावा करता है कि आई एम द बेस्ट पैकर, बट वो है नहीं. सो बोस्टिंग में दिखावा करना. Who was irritating George and Harris? जॉर्ज और हैरिस को कौन इरिटेट कर रहा था, कौन चिढ़ा रहा था? यस, Jerome, Montmorency, packing, yeah, all. So Montmorency was there, who was irritating George and Harris. Montmorency, the dog. Who made a mess of everything? Who made a mess of everything? Yes, so this was Harris, Montmorency, George, all. So these were all who made a mess of everything. हर चीज़ को किसने मिक्स कर दिया था, मैस कर दिया था? सो ये सभी थे. हैरिस भी था, मोंटमोरेंसी भी था, जॉर्ज भी था और हैरिस भी था, और सॉरी जेरोम भी था. What was Montmorency's contributions to the packing? What was Montmorency's contribution to the packing? Made packing easier? No. Packing became quicker? No. Packing was worsened? Yes. All. Yeah, all. No. So C is the right option. How was packing worsened with Montmorency's contribution? How was packing worsened with Montmorency's contribution? Yes, packing became tiresome. Packing became a perfect nuisance. Yeah, put his leg into jam and set over the things. Yeah, all. So C option is the right one. Put his leg into jam and set over the things. जो चीज़ें उन्होंने पैक करनी थी ना, उन्हीं चीज़ों के ऊपर बैठ रहा था. Tennis. What does uncanny mean? So uncanny means strange, mysterious, difficult to explain or odd. So this is strange. How did George and Harris start their packing? How did George and Harris start their packing? Yes, so squeezing tomatoes, breaking a bucket, या breaking a sauce plate, या breaking a cup. So when they start packing, George and Harris start packing, they broke a cup. So D option is the right one. Who trod on the butter? तो बटर को किसने कुचला था? जॉर्ज ने, हैरिस ने, जेरोम ने या सभी ने? So he was Harris. What was the writer? What was the writer Jerome proud of? जेरोम किस बारे में प्राउड करता था? So his selling skill, अपनी बेचने की स्किल्स के बारे में, his learning abilities, या his negotiation skill, या his packing skills. तो D option is the right one, his packing skills पे. What was the name of the dog? Tommy, Montmorency, Tom, या Romy? So it was Montmorency. What happened when George put butter on the chair? What happened when George put butter on the chair. So Harry sat on the chair and butter was stuck to his back. Yeah, Montmorency ate it, Jerome ate it. Yeah, George kept it in a phrase. So A option is the right one. Who offered to do packing first? Who offered to do packing first? Montmorency, George, Harry, Jerome. So D is the right option. What was the most irritating thing for Jerome? What was the most irritating thing for Jerome? So Montmorency, people's behavior, seeing people doing nothing, yeah, packing. So C is the right option. Seeing people doing nothing. Who packed the hampers? खाने का सामान किसने पैक किया? मोंटमोरेंसी ने, जेरोम ने, जॉर्ज और हैरिस ने, या और सभी ने? शो किसने? यस सी, जॉर्ज एंड हैरिस. Why did George and Harris reaction irritate Jerome? Why did George and Harris reaction irritate Jerome? Yes. Why? Yes, because he was losing a chance to educate them. Okay. He wanted to supervise over them and educate them. He didn't like them. You none. So B is the right option. What did Jerome often forget to pack? His shirts, his boots, his toothbrush, all. So he often forget to pack his toothbrush. 21st. Where did Jerome finally find his toothbrush? So in a boot, in the cupboard, in the suitcase, in none. So he found his toothbrush in a boot. Why did Jerome feel the need to reopen his bag? Because he had packed his tobacco pouch in it. Because he forgot to pack toothbrush. To find his boots, none. Because he forgot to pack toothbrush. What did George and Harris offer to pack? What did George and Harris offer to pack? Tomatoes, boots, hamper for carrying foods, all. So it was C. Who was Jerome's friend? Montmorency, George and Harris, none, can't say. Who were Jerome's friend? So George and Harris were Jerome's friend. At what time did Jerome pack the bag finally? Yes, 8:05, 9:05, 10:05, 11:05. So it was 10:05. Who was Montmorency? Jerome's friend, Jerome's neighbor, Jerome's cousin, Jerome's pet dog. It was Jerome's pet dog. What did Montmorency do to the jam? Yes, Montmorency ने jam का क्या किया? Eat it up, उसे खा गया, threw it away, उसे फेंक दिया, put his leg into it, उसमें अपनी टांग रख दी, none, या कुछ नहीं किया. So C is the right option, अपनी टांग रख दी. What did Montmorency think to the lemons to be? तो Montmorency है जो लेमन को क्या समझ रहा था? Rats, squirrel, balls, या none. So वो उसको rats, चूहा समझ रहा था. What time did the packing finish finally? कितने बजे पैकिंग फाइनली खत्म हुई? तो it was 12:50, 11:30, 5, 11:24, 11:05. So it was 12:50. What horrible idea struck Jerome's mind after packing his bag? Yes, whether his toothbrush is packed or not. Boots are packed. Tobacco pouch is kept or not. None. So it was the first option. This one. So today this is our last video regarding our lesson packing. So with our new videos I will come back. Thank you. Have a nice day.